Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn off your active status on Facebook so that people will no longer be able to see when you are active on the platform. Also, if you are interested in Facebook marketing, like how to grow and make more money from Facebook, check out our free Facebook resources and sign up for a free newsletter below. Alright, but now let me show you how you can turn off your active status on Facebook. So the first thing you need to do is you need to click your profile picture on the bottom right corner and then click the settings icon on the top right corner. Then you need to scroll down to audience and visibility and just click on the active status. And here you can switch off your active status by clicking on the blue switch and then click turn off. It's important to mention that if you want to turn off your active status on Messenger, it's also recommended to turn off the active status on Facebook, because otherwise people may still be able to see when you are active if you only turned off your status on Messenger. Alright, so all in all, this is how you turn off your active status on Facebook. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with Facebook checklist for free, or the Facebook page growth checklist and other Facebook marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, we have a free weekly Facebook marketing newsletter that you can also sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial wasn't up to date, make sure to check the more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well that you can also find in the video description below.